Hello and welcome to another lesson in our website development. And in this lesson, we're going to go ahead and work on our author section as well as other important features on our website. Let's delve right into that. Okay. So let's move straight to the dashboard. Okay. So let me quickly go back to our site, see what I'm talking about. Okay. When we check here like this, you can see that we have this section here. So we want to work on our author section here. Okay, so basically here, just like that, we want to have the author's image here. Okay, about the author, have the author's image here. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. So let's just go to the dashboard. Okay, the dashboard, let's come to users, then come to profile. Here you go ahead and fill in your name. Okay, in. So here we need to create an account under private here. So we go to create private account. Okay. And here we just enter the email address and then the username. You can give your username here. Okay. Jane as my username. This password. Okay, so I think this already exists. Okay, we just add this. Okay, now everything is working. So let me just create an account for this. I don't want to save this. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So I think our account has been created. Okay. So now let's just go here and try to sign in with WordPress and see. Okay, so an activation email has been sent to this same email. Okay, in King 11. So you can just go to the inbox and check and then activate that. So we have this here. So you just activate an account here. Mail confirm. Perfect. Okay, so here we can go ahead and then so now I think we are done with creating of the account here. Okay. So now actually we don't have much to do here. So the only thing we're going to do right now is let's quickly go back to our website, then we continue from there. Okay, so now I think when we get to our WordPress website, we should be able to get our picture loaded there, okay, without any problem. So let me just check this now. It's still brought here. Let me just confirm this now. Okay, so let's have our image loaded here for now. Rather, let's come back to this page and make sure we have our image loaded here. So you click on this, then you browse and locate your image. Okay, materials here. So let me just go for this image. Perfect. Okay, this is okay. Let's click on change my photos. So perfect, this is done. Now here we can log out. Logging out, even when we come to WordPress now, I think we should see our image showing up here. Okay, let's try visiting our site and see. Let's go to this. Let me just refresh and see how it's going to look like. Okay, it's like it's still. Let me quickly go back to the dashboard and see once again. Profile. Let's fill the name here, start here. Okay, once again. Then here we already have an account. Okay, username here we have something like right here, password. Then we go ahead and log in. The account we just created there is what we are talking about. Yeah, we have our image here already done and dusted. Okay, so I think we shouldn't have problem changing our image at the other side. Okay, so I think it's not bad, right? So let's go back to the WordPress and see. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, we already have this. Okay, perfect. So now our image is here. The only problem is after creating this account here, after creating the account for the gravatar and upload your image there, it's like it takes some time before it's loaded or it appears on your WordPress page. Okay, so you can now see that we have this image here now about this other stuff. So okay, so but actually it's not necessary though. Some might not want to add it. Okay, so if you feel like you don't need it there, then you can skip it. Now, in order for us not to leave this place blank, we would want to have something like this same thing here. Okay, about the other stuff here. So we want to get it at the side bar here. So with this one, we're going to need another plugin to be able to do that. So we go to the dashboard, then we go to plugins, then we go to add new. Okay. Um, the name of the plugin is like it's called Smart Author. So let me just write that Smart Author. Smart Author. Let me just check and see Smart Author. Perfect. This is it. So let's make sure we install this Smart Author widget. Okay, makes smart word. So install it and we activate it. Okay. So now the next thing we are going to do this is let's go to appearance. And the appearance, let's just go to widgets. Okay, go to widgets. So under widgets, let's go to next, 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 next. Get there. Yeah. What I would want us to do is let's manage live preview so that whatever we do, we see it appear. Okay, so let's click on this. Okay, for the first time, we would have to initialize that as well. Okay, sidebar here, perfect. So you just got it. Now, what we'll be adding here is called the Make Smart widget. Okay, so we can go ahead, then click on this plus sign. So here, let's locate it and see Max Author. Okay, this is it, Max Author. Click on it. So once it is clicked, you can just change here and say about me instead of about the author. And type about me. Okay, so we have that here, perfect. So we can go ahead and publish it. Let's publish it so you can see our image appears there. So we should have it here. So once it's published, we would want to close this here. Let me just close this and close that. Close that as well. We would want to close this. Network seems a bit slow. After closing that, we would want to visit our site and see what's going to happen there. Visit site. Okay, so we have this here, okay, about the author and all that. Okay, so the ideal thing is this. Why don't we remove all these stuff? Okay, I think let's clear this send post and all that blah 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 stuffs here. Okay, let's do away with it. I don't want to see it here. So to do that, quickly we go back to the dashboard. Okay, okay. Let's just refresh this and see what's going to happen. But we are back here. Okay, so like I said, we would want to take off other stuffs that are um, with the about the author image and other stuffs at the sidebar there. So let's come back to appearance and come back to widgets. Okay, then let's go to manage live preview so that we see what's happening there. Sidebar. Okay, so this block we are going to delete it. You see, guess what stuffs are going to delete it. We just take off this, we remove that block, it's gone. This block or recent post stuffs, we're going to delete it, then we remove it. Recent comments, we're going to delete it, then we remove it. So now we have only our about stuffs. Okay, so basically I think we can see that it's here. This one as well, we're going to remove it. Also gone. So now we have only this and then our search bar stuffs here. Perfect. Good. So I think everything is okay here. So you can go ahead and publish it now. Okay. So once we come back here and view our site, should look like this, looking very good and calm. Okay. So perfect. We don't have any problem. We don't have any issues. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do is I would want us to have something like our post. Whenever we share a post or whatever we share on our blog, we should have the featured post displayed at the bottom here. So let's quickly do that. So to do that, we want to look for a particular widget. So let's go to the dashboard once again. Let's come to appearance and go to widgets. Let's manage live preview. Okay. And then under here, we'd want to go to the side bar, home sidebar here. We'd want to add another widget, which is called Shamrock. Okay, let's locate it. Shamrock post. Okay, so we add it here. Perfect. So here we can just leave it like this and say featured post like this. See how it's appearing there? Featured post. So like this. Just maintain it like this. Okay. So but then there is this hello world stuff somewhere there. Yes, check it very well. Okay, that's okay. So you don't need anything here, but if you want to increase the number of posts at a go here with this, it means that the number of posts that will appear at a go here is 5. Maximum is 5. So supposing we have more than about 10 posts, we will only have the latest one, the current one, top 5 appearing here. Okay, so that is that. Let's just click on publish. Then let's quickly go back and check our site. Let's visit our site like this. So we have this as well here. So everything is kind of good and working perfectly without any problem, without any stress. So I say thank you very much for watching, and then till our next lesson where we're going to begin sharing our other stuffs that are very important for our users for them to visit our site. So till then, say thank you very much for watching, and then bye for now. Okay.